What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Unofficial Bandhead, where I am your host, Orlando J, and I am excited about being back here. So for those of you who are new to this channel or just joining in into The Unofficial Bandhead, first of all, I want to say welcome you to the family. Thank you so much for stopping in. I appreciate the visit, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you guys down in the comment section. Just make sure you leave me a comment, hashtag I'm new here, and we can definitely chop it up. So welcome aboard, guys. Secondly, as you know, this is a bandhead channel, not just church bands or brass bands or whatever other style band you may have, jazz band, but also marching bands, so on and so forth. So we cover a multitude of different types of bands. If I think the band is dope, I will react to it, and I will do my own little judgment call, oh, I think this or I think that. So I know if you look back at my previous videos, you guys will see that I do a lot of marching band videos, but I wanted to begin to incorporate bands as well, right? Because I am a musician. Also, I play music. I also marched in a band, so I kind of have a connection to both worlds. So why not just react to what I love to hear and what I love to talk about? So anyways, guys, again, welcome to the channel. I really appreciate you guys stopping in and being a part of the family or just listening in. So today I have a really good one for you guys. So it's what I would like to call first official mashup. Now what this is, it's a combination of two bands where I'm reacting to both of them and just listening in and listening to some dope music and some dope musicians making great renditions. So I'm just gonna do a reaction to it. Now the only reason why I wanted to react to this one is because some friends of mine, we were actually listening to these and I thought it was super dope. So I was like, you know what, for the first reaction, I'm gonna do a reaction to these two bands and a mashup. Now if you want to call this a battle, totally up to you. I'm cool with it regardless. I just call it a mashup, where I'm taking two different bands, playing two different pieces and listening to the arrangements and trying to figure out, hey, is that close to the original, or did they sauce it up too much? So I'm definitely looking forward to hearing this, and these bands are phenomenal musicians, so shout out to them. And you guys know how I do here on the channel. I'm definitely going to shout out to the person that's providing the content for me to actually review. So without further ado, guys, I'm ready to get into this mashup. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Boom. All right, guys. So we have the alarm clocks. Looks like the arranger is Bart Orr. So if you want to actually go over to his channel, I actually took some time and listened to a few of his pieces, and man, he has a dope band. So if you want to head over to his YouTube channel, I'm definitely going to place a link in the description. Let's get it. Oh my God, that was the intro. Woo. I like that riff. I like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Man, they have totally rewritten the entire rendition of this piece. I'm loving the mask, fellas. You guys are sharp. Everything's so nice. Oh, the little piano riff. Oh my God. This joint jam. Ba-da-da. Okay, so they went there again. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. All right, piano. I hear you. Oh my God. Nice. Nice. Man. That was dope. I literally think that they totally rearranged the entire piece. I think they kept some of the core, but for the most part, I mean, it was totally different, and it was beautiful. I loved it. I have no words. So the next band we're gonna get into is actually called the TMI band, and they're a dope band too. Now how I came across them was one day I was just actually rolling through and I saw a couple different things where it was like they were like in quarantine. So notice both of these bands are actually in quarantine. So they're wearing the mask and different things like that. And the bros with the suits were like super dope. I didn't even get a chance to comment on that. Like that was crazy. That was crazy, man. But let's check them out, man. TMI band. I'm interested to see what they have. And at the end of this, I'm going to actually talk a little bit about what I like about both bands and different things like that. So you guys make sure you stay connected. All right, let's get it. TMI band. The organ sliding through. Yeah, them scents back there. Yeah. Who's on those scents over there, man? That's dope. Man, I'm mesmerized by these bands, man. How they sound. I mean, it's so tight. Chemistry is locked. bruh. Ah, mm, 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 I bass. That's just jam, bruh. Bruh. Oh my god. Ah, ah, ah. What is that scent? What is that, bro? Bro. Bro. They could just loop this. I could just listen to this. Ooh, nice. Man, where is that other synth player? Because obviously my man here is laying the piano. We have the organist, the bass. So where is the synth coming from? Is he doing? Man. Get a drummer, son. You know, the drummer's been really in the pocket. Like, really in the pocket. Like, barely standing out. Oh. Nice. Slide. Bro. It's joint vibe. Nice. I'm gonna join the band. That joint go hard, bro. But them toms sound good. And my man, that drummer is pocket. Like straight pocket. Ooh. Oh. Scent coming through. Oh my God. Bruh. I'm not even much gonna attempt to pretend like I can actually judge those two bands and be like, oh, I like this band better. But I almost kind of have to, because the whole point of the mashup is to just discuss what band I like the most and what I heard and different things like that, what I thought was super dope in their renditions of those songs. First of all, the Blues Brothers, Bart Orr, I mean, dude, it sounds like he literally reconstructed that entire song and put their own spin to it, and I thought it was super dope. TMI band, they was locked in, man. They were I was hearing different things in there that was like it sounds like they had like some kind of other track layered with like a melody that was kind of looping throughout the song. I don't know, but it was super super dope. I enjoy both bands, and the mashup, it's not even like that's, I think that should have been like the championship round. I think I made a mistake. I should have mashed up a whole bunch of other bands and just like church bands and just let them play and then choose from a pool of them. And then maybe those two bands would have ended up competing for the final championship round. But bro, that was crazy. I'm still kind of all right, so I have no idea how I'm gonna sit up here and like pick an actual band that I actually like, because honestly I like both of them. Just to be 100% real with you, I like both bands. I think they're both phenomenal. This is very difficult. I think that this is a difficult situation for me. I have no idea how I'm going to score this, but I'm just gonna go off what I felt from both bands. I felt that both of those arrangements were super dope. The alarm clocks, Bart Orr, the arranger of that Israel Houghton piece, was like super super dope, like unmatched from what I've heard. And I've heard different church bands play this piece, but not like what they did with it. That was incredible. I mean, the melody up top, how they actually like wrote in like a lot of the introduction. Some people may think that it was overlayered, but I thought it was great. It was fun to listen to, and so I enjoyed it, and I'm a musician as well, so I appreciate the work. TMI band, they were locked and loaded. They were so tight, man, so tight knit in their arrangement. They also seemed like they had like some sort of loop going with like a little melody on, like kind of layered in between some of the arrangement. So I thought it was super dope, man. I thought the drummer was A1 pocket, and he came out when he needed to. I felt that was a solid overall. But if I had to choose which one I like the most, I think I'm gonna roll with TMI, man. I think I like TMI a lot. I enjoyed their rendition, a lot of their changes. Their changes were subtle, but yet they kind of stood out in a way how they transitioned to the next part or to the bridge or what have you. I thought it was. Don't get it twisted. Both of these bands are super dope. But if I had to pick one that I like, I'm gonna roll with TMI because I enjoyed that. Of course, you're gonna have people that's different from me because I have a different type of ear than you. But if you did enjoy the mashup, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Remember, I do marching bands. I do all types of different bands here. So if you enjoy that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it with all of your friends, family, and any other musical platform that you guys are connected to. Please comment down below the link, and I would definitely go to their page. And if you have a page where other bands, or any place where other bands, definitely comment them down below. I'm more than happy to review them. Matter of fact, I'm looking forward to it. So if you guys enjoyed the mashup, make sure you hashtag mashup, and then I'm gonna continue to mash up different bands that I like and just have them go against each other, and then I'll pick like which one I like. You can definitely tell me down below who you like, because I'm interested in hearing from it. By the way, guys, grand love to you. This has been the Unofficial Bandhead, and I'm out.